Hey guys, oh, it's not bad, guys. So next time, guys, I just gonna use when I when I put in the bowl, I just add a little water and then the egg, cause it's not really perfect, cause the over there is still white, but the one the guy showed in the Facebook thing, or it's like it's really nice his egg stuff. But anyway, I think that let's add the salt. It's like 6 something in the morning, and when I see it's like I need to cook. It turned out good. It's not that bad. But next time I just use a less um water in the bowl, and I make sure the frying pan with the one with the water is really boiling for how many minutes. So I think I need to put just a little water, guys, so that it cook. It's 3 minutes, but I end up just warm up a little bit more, because I think because I put too much water in the bowl with the egg. So next time I just put little water, less water when I pour into the thing with the see. Anyway, but that's okay. Still good. Let's see. Oh, it's cooked. Cause I just turn on um the what you call this, the stove, because I wait 3 minutes. It's not. I don't think it's really cooked. So because I put too much water, and then the hot water got too much cold water in it. So that turned out it's good. Thanks for watching.